it's Riley here. Today I'm going to show you how to build the perfect Lego minifigure of yourself. So please like, subscribe, comment down below and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So let's get right into this. So a lot of people find it hard to make a Lego minifigure themselves, but I'm here to help because I'm using Emmett as a demonstration. So the first thing to do is, if you haven't already, empty out your Lego on like a table or something. I have a special Lego table that I use. And then find the right pieces. So for Emmett, of course, you'd use this hair. And you can try different faces. For example, this face. And yeah, you can just mess around because it's going to be a minifigure to represent yourself. And I'll just put one here when I notice myself. Here it is. You may have seen it hanging on my door in one of my previous videos of the tour of my room. So the next step is to find a t-shirt. So it doesn't have to be a t-shirt. You just find a textured torso brick and it can be like a jacket or something. And yeah. For Emmett, you definitely choose the construction builder first because Emmett's a construction builder. And also, on the next step, you're going to have to choose some pants, which pants to suit it would be, of course, these pants here. And now, we need to build it all up. So let's build it. So as you can see, I've got two minifigures. The one I created the other day and the Brave Emmett I created just then. So that was the guide to creating your own Lego minifigure. Have fun doing this. I recommend you do it when you've got like some free time at home. Remember to like and subscribe, comment down below and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. See ya!